Welcome to Danny's Mind Facts. Today, we're diving into the latest controversies from the Paris Olympics. Paraguayan Olympic swimmer Lanna Alonso has been kicked out of the Olympic Village. Let's find out why. Lanna Alonso, a 20-year-old swimmer, has been accused of creating an inappropriate atmosphere during the recent international competition. The allegations have sparked a heated debate within the sports community, raising questions about athlete conduct and the pressures they face. According to a statement by Lissa Sherer, head of the Paraguayan Olympic Committee, the situation is being taken very seriously. Sherer emphasized the importance of maintaining a respectful and professional environment for all athletes and assured that a thorough investigation is underway. Alonso did not spend the night in the athletes' village of her own free will. Reports suggest that she felt uncomfortable and decided to leave the premises. The incident has raised concerns about the safety and well-being of athletes during major events, prompting calls for better support systems. Shortly after the race, Alonso made a heartfelt announcement on her Instagram account, revealing her decision to retire from competitive swimming. She wrote, "It's official, I'm retiring from swimming. Thank you all so much for your support over the years. It's been an incredible journey, filled with highs and lows, victories and challenges. Sorry, Paraguay. I just have to say thank you for always being there for me. Your unwavering support has meant the world to me. I'm excited to see what the future holds and to explore new opportunities beyond the pool. This isn't goodbye, but rather a new beginning. Thank you, everyone, for everything." Alonso's announcement was met with an outpouring of love and support from fans and fellow athletes alike, marking the end of an era in competitive swimming. Lanna Alonso isn't the only swimmer making headlines at the Paris Olympics. Brazilian swimmer Ana Carolina Vieira was also dismissed after leaving the Olympic Village with her teammate and boyfriend, Gabriel Santos, without permission. This incident has sparked a lot of discussions and debates among fans and officials alike. Vieira, known for her incredible performances in the pool, has now found herself in the spotlight for a completely different reason. The decision to leave the village without authorization has raised questions about the athlete's conduct and the strict rules imposed during the Games. As the story unfolds, many are eager to see how this will impact her career and the Brazilian swimming team. These incidents highlight the pressures and challenges athletes face at the Olympics. What are your thoughts on these dismissals? Do you think the punishments were fair? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Danny's Mind Facts for more intriguing updates and stories from around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.